Shove re- Ah! I'm Tom. What up everybody, I'm Tom Gozney and today I'm introducing Arc and Arc XL. The Arc is the sort of greatest expression of being able to bring a high level of performance to everybody at home. Having a ton of space in your garden for a big oven was not accessible to a lot of people in the world. Lighting a wood fire and maintaining a wood fire was intimidating to some. So I think with the Arc, we've designed a product that is A, compact, B, is incredibly easy to use, and C, has this incredible level of performance like our restaurant ovens that just allow people to master the art of cooking with a live fire. The standard size of the Arc cooks a 14-inch pizza and the Arc XL cooks a family-style 16-inch pizza. Essentially why the product is named the Arc, we have this arcing flame that rolls over the inside of the body of the oven. That's the perfect distance away from the stone to get like a high level of continuity in the bake. So the stone can essentially cook the pizza from the bottom up while the flame cooks the pizza from the top down. The construction of the Arc is very similar to a professional oven. We have a really intentional shape to the internal chamber of the oven. From an engineering perspective, it's built to work in harmony with a lateral side burning flame. There's been this sort of granular obsession about flames with our engineering team at work, and it's something that I've been obsessed about. Yes, we've got like space age insulation and we've got incredible insulation in the floor and in the body of the oven, but the way the flame works is completely different from other ovens on the market. The flame combusts differently, which is the way it mixes oxygen with gas, and it creates a very large rolling yellow flame that almost touches the floor of the other side of the oven. That helps to generate the heat in the oven, but it also helps to distribute the heat across the roof of the oven to cook the pizza from the top down. We've got some really incredible features in the Arc. The temperature control, for example, the knob on the front, in conjunction with how temperature is measured in the product. A thermocouple probe applied with pressure with a spring to the underside of the stone, which gives you a perfect readout for the floor of the oven and allows you to know exactly when is the right time to cook. And it's a true read of like how consistently hot the stone stays over use, pizza after pizza. Lots of people that want to buy the products don't necessarily have outdoor counter space to put them on, so we designed a really convenient stand that you can put it on, you can wheel it around the garden, super compact. We have also designed a booster accessory for people that are using the Arcs at home on their standard countertops. They can have it elevated slightly, which is just a slightly more convenient working height. All the journey that we've taken about learning about pizza chefs, how they operate and how they actually produce hundreds of pizzas. The one thing that has to remain true to them is the oven just needs to bake the pizza in the same way time and time again. They understand their relationship of using the oven. It's really important for that oven just to remain consistent. And that's exactly what we've brought into the engineering and the innovation of the Arc. It doesn't become a stress fest. You know, it's really nice. You feel like you've got a partner in crime when you're going to cook for your friends. You know that you can turn this thing on, you can get it hot, it will stay hot, the oven performs the same way every time, and you just produce a perfect pizza every single time. We wanted to give people exactly the same level of continuity so they just knew how to use it. And so, quite frankly, they could just have a great experience making incredible pizza for their friends when they hosted pizza parties. The dome was designed to be this perfect expression of a scaled down commercial oven. The love for that aesthetic is now what we've taken down into the Arc, and I would say the Arc is a perfect expression of like a high performing pizza oven, a product that's absolutely phenomenal at baking pizza after pizza for people that may want something slightly more compact. Do you want more grunts, chat?
A bit softer.
Softer, like a bit less aggressive?